Voila! Welcome to a detailed exploration of customers' opinions on the cleanliness and quality of a robotic vacuum cleaner. Let's delve into the mixed feedback shared by customers regarding this innovative home cleaning device. In the realm of customer reviews, sentiments vary. Some customers praise the robotic vacuum cleaner for its effective cleaning performance and convenience, while others express concerns about its durability and maintenance. Positive feedback highlights the robotic vacuum cleaner's ability to adapt to different room layouts and provide personalized cleaning recommendations, enhancing the overall cleaning experience for users. However, challenges such as the need for frequent dustbin cleaning and issues with side brushes breaking off have been reported by some users, still in minority, indicating areas for potential improvement in the product. Moving on to specific customer experiences, some users appreciate the robotic vacuum cleaner's efficiency in picking up dirt and pet hair, while others note its tendency to be noisy and occasionally collide with furniture. In conclusion, the diverse, very good feedback from customers still positive to the importance of considering individual preferences and requirements when evaluating the suitability of a robotic vacuum cleaner for your home. Please click the link in the description below to get more discount and detail of the product. Cheers!